In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Fotor account quickly and permanently. If you're no longer using the service and want to close your account, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it safely and without confusion. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple how-to guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to fotor.com. Once the website loads, log into the account you want to delete. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Fotor account before going any further, because once the account is deleted, this action is meant to be permanent. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, select Account Settings, or if you see My Account instead, click that option. Either one should take you to your account management page. Now that you're inside your account settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Fotor places the delete option near the bottom, so you may need to scroll carefully until you find it. Once you see the delete account button or link, click on it. At this point, Fotor will likely ask you to confirm that you really want to close the account. Take a moment to read the confirmation message so you understand what will happen next. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm your selection to permanently close the account. This is the final step. And once you confirm, your Fotor account deletion request will be completed. If any pop-up appears asking for a final confirmation, go ahead and accept it so the deletion goes through. After that, your account should be scheduled for permanent removal according to Fotor's process. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your Fotor account. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.